In today's video, we will guide you through how to share WhatsApp group link without admin. So let's get started. So there is a way to share WhatsApp group link without admin, but you should note there are some of the things that should be enabled by admin. The admin must ensure that the link sharing option is enabled for the group. Be cautious about where you share the invite link or QR code to avoid unwanted participants joining the group. So after these are noted, all you have to do is simply open your WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Also know that the best way to share group link is using QR code. You can use the QR code to join and share your WhatsApp group link. It is a simple method and works for everyone on both web, Android and iPhone devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.